Hey guys, okay, I found this alternator in my front garage, and I believe this is a voltage regulator. I could be wrong, and the connecting port here has ASI, which is this similar to mine that came off the truck. So I'm going to try switching over those connectors slash voltage regulators, if that's what they are, and see if that's what my problem is. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but this one is the old one. Here's the one I'm trying to fit in, and the bottom is a little bit closer. I gotta notch this out a bit, this one out a bit. Right here. I gotta cut it out right about there. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna go, actually, I'll probably do it right here on my grinder. Okay, so I switched what I think is the regulator over, but I'm not going to install it tonight. I think I'm going to head out to the Angus car show. Rob from Wasaga Beach Car Addicts invited some of us out there, so I'm going to take a chance. I'm pretty sure the Cougar's okay. Oil pressure only drops when I slow down, and not all the time when it gets hot. It's topped up. Don't think it's overheating. If it does, I'll tow it home. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Anyways, I'll continue this tomorrow when I'm doing the install. Okay, it's the next day now, so I'm gonna attempt to put the alternator back in. I got it there. Gotta connect it up. I was wondering why the blades on this fan were weird when I took and replaced the rad support, because they're not really looking balanced. They don't look like they're equally spaced, and I think this is why. This position right here is a huge opening, and I needed to put it in this position in order to get the alternator in. I guess that's why they have it that way. Maybe in production, the alternator goes in after the fan and after all the stuff, which wouldn't make any sense to me at all, but I don't know. Anyways, I found that interesting. So I got the time lapse set up because, yeah, no one needs to see half an hour of me cursing and swearing, banging my knuckles up for the full half hour. So I got it back in now. Bit of pain in the ass, but got back in. We're at 12.5 volts, so let's see, hopefully it'll jump up when I start it. Oh my. Let's get that here so it doesn't fall. Alright, as we saw there, that new module or whatever the hell I switched over is getting my alternator pumping out 18 volts now, so that's way too much. It's not good for the system that high. It should have brought it up to maybe 14, so I'm going to have to investigate this. I'm probably just going to order a new alternator, but I'm going to look into this. I'm going to try to figure out why it's putting out so much voltage. But hey, any suggestions, guys? As always, comments. I'm all ears, man. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.